Welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're featuring a plant that brings a touch of soft texture and everlasting charm to your garden, Helichrysum Silver Threads. This dwarf curry plant boasts stunning silvery foliage and offers a unique textural element that lasts well into the season. The Helichrysum Silver Threads is a true dwarf amongst its Helichrysum kin. Unlike some varieties that can sprawl, this cultivar stays compact, typically reaching only 8 to 14 inches tall and wide. This characteristic makes it a perfect choice for container plantings, adding a soft, silvery touch to your patio or balcony. It also thrives in garden beds, creating beautiful borders or edging walkways with its shimmering presence. The defining feature of Silver Threads is its mesmerizing foliage. Unlike its green leaf counterparts, this variety boasts soft, thread-like leaves and a stunning shade of silver. These feathery leaves create a delicate, almost ethereal appearance, adding a touch of whimsical texture to your garden. But the beauty of the Silver Threads goes beyond its initial bloom. As summer progresses, the small yellow button-like flowers transform into papery silver bracts that resemble tiny everlasting flowers. These bracts maintain their silvery shimmer well into fall and even winter, adding a touch of year-round interest to your garden. Silver Thread thrives in full sun, making it ideal for those bright and sunny spots in your garden. Once established, it's remarkably drought tolerant, so you won't need to worry about constant watering during hot, dry spells. This low-maintenance characteristic makes it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or those looking for a hassle-free way to add a touch of elegance to their landscapes. Not only does Silver Threads love the sun, but it also handles hot temperatures with ease. This makes it a fantastic choice for gardeners in warmer climates where other plants might struggle under the summer sun. Its drought tolerance further adds to its resilience, making it a low-maintenance champion you can depend on throughout the season. Silver Thread's feathery silver foliage creates a stunning textural contrast when planted alongside other garden favorites. Pairing it with bold, green foliage plants like hostas or ferns creates a dramatic interplay of textures that highlights the beauty of both varieties. For an even more captivating display, consider planting alongside brightly colored flowers. The soft silver threads will act as a calming counterpart to vibrant blooms, creating a truly harmonious visual experience. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Silver Threads might offer some additional benefits. The leaves are known to possess a pleasant curry-like aroma, adding a subtle fragrance to your garden. Additionally, some gardeners believe the dried leaves might have potential uses in potpourri or decorative crafts. And that's it for today's plant profile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Happy gardening.